Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to store photos in Google Drive. Okay, so you can use the Google Drive to upload photos, but Google has a different application which Google Photos that this application you can use for upload the photos or backup your photos. But if you want to upload your photo in Google Drive only, so I will show you how you can add this. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my Android phone. So before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile phone. So guys, I am on my Android phone. So let me open first Google Drive here. Okay, so you can directly upload photo to Google Drive. So just open the Google Drive, log in with your account, and you can create new folder for photos. You have to click on files. So here you can see all your files and folder and photos also. You can filter photos only. Go to the search bar, and you can see you can filter the photos and image of your Google Drive. So you can see all photos and folder here. Okay, so now we are going to learn how we can upload the photos. So you can create new folder for photos. Just click on tab and create folder and type folder name like photos. Okay, click on create the photos. You can give the name any name. Just click on create now. Okay, after create, just find out this folder. Okay, yeah, which one was this? Photos or piece? Okay, this folder was, just click on it. Now folders has been opened. Now we can upload photos from here. Just click on plus, go to the upload. Now you can find out photos from your gallery or file manager. You can also filter the image only, so you will see all image of your photos or image in your mobile. So now go to the three line option. You can go directly to file manager or photos option, or go to the image. You will see all images. Okay, so now just select folder and select the image, and it will be uploaded here. Okay, so if you don't find image like this, so you directly go to the file manager, come to the file manager, and now you can go to the internal storage or find out the photo, and you can just click on three dot option and go to the share. Now you have to select the drive only. Now select, this is your file name, this is your account name. You can change account from here if you have more than one account in your device. Now you can select the folder. Okay, so this folder is by default selected, but you can change folder by clicking on it. Just come back and you can select folder from there. This is your Google Drive folder, so I just select this folder one and select. So folder has been selected. Now you can save it, so it will be saved on your Google Drive. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.